Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you people are fit and fine at your home places. But are you not missing your friends? You must be missing fighting with them. You must be missing playing the pencil game with them or the rubber game with them. To be honest, I am missing you very badly. I'm missing you very badly. I want to meet you all as soon as possible. So in the previous class, we have already done 5-digit number, that is its number name, expanded form, place value chart, and all other things that are related to 5-digit numbers. So let us try to recapitulate 5-digit number, right? So let us try to write one 5-digit number. Take out your pens, pencils, erasers, and one notebook. First of all, write down the date, day neatly. Okay? Now let us try to write any 5-digit number of your choice. Written? Now let us try to frame its number name, expanded form, and its place value chart. Let us try to recapitulate it once again, right? So in order to write the number name, what all we do is, first of all, we write the name of the houses, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, and 10,000, right? These are the names of the houses, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, and 10,000. These are the name of the houses. Now let us try to write the digits below the places. So 7 will come under one's house, right? We will always start writing the houses as well as the digits from the extreme right. We will never use the left hand side to write the place values, to write the place, or to write the names of the digits, right? So 7 will comes under ones place, 4 will come under tens place, 5 will come under hundreds place, 2 will come under thousand place, and 1 will come under 1000, 10,000 place, right? So 7 ones, 4 tens, 5 hundreds, 2000, and 1 10,000, right? So let us try to write its number name. सबसे पहले ये देखो बेटा कि 1000 का क्या नंबर है? What is the number of 1000? That is 12. So we will be writing 12,000, right? How many thousands are there? 12,000, right? 12 and 1000. How many hundreds are there? 500, right? Then again 40 and 7. So it becomes 47, right? So it is 12,547, right? 12,547. 12,540 and 7, right? So this is the number name for a 5-digit number. This is the number name for a 5-digit number, right? So let us try to write its expanded form. Okay, we will be writing its expanded form now. So write it down in your notebooks. It's expanded form. That is, first digit is 1. First digit is 1. How many zeros will be right after 1? Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits, that means 4 0 plus. Right? What is the second digit? 2. Now count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros. Again write the third digit. 5 and 2 zeros. 1, 2. Then again write down the fourth digit. 4, 1, 0. And the last digit is 7. So the expanded form will become 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 7. Right? I will be repeating it again. 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 7. So this will be the expanded form. Let us try to write its place value chart. Place value chart, again start writing the names of the houses from the right hand side. That is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Right? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and tens thousand. So 7 will be written under ones place, 4 under tens place, 5 under hundreds place, 2,000 and 1 is 10,000. So this is the place value chart. What it is? Place value chart. Now let us try to write another number name for the any 5-digit number. Take another 5-digit number. Another 5-digit number of your choice. Let us write in. I'm done. I hope you people are also done. So again write down the name of the houses first. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. I hope you people are doing the work in your respective notebooks as well. Rough notebooks. Right? So 5 will be written under ones place, 4 tens place, 3 hundreds place, 1,000 place, 8 10,000 place. Right? So the number name will be how many thousands are there? 80, 1,000. Am I right? Then how many hundreds? 300. Right? Then combine the last two digits. It is 45. Right? So this is the number name. This is the number name. Let us try to write its expanded form. Expanded form will be 8. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next digit 1, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Then next digit 3, 2 zeros. Then 40 and then 5. This is the expanded form. This is the expanded form. This is the expanded form. Now let us try to make its place value chart. It's again start writing the names of the houses from the right hand side. By houses I mean the places. I am repeating it again. By houses I mean the places. Have you written? Then again write 5 under ones, 4 under tens, 3 under hundreds, 1 under 1,000 and 8 under 10,000. Right? Now, so this is what we all have done in our previous classes. Right? So today I will be starting with a new place value. With a new place value, its number name, expanded form, place value chart. Right? So I will be starting with 6-digit number today. With a 6-digit number today. But before that, let me test how much you people No. I am giving you some digits. Try to make numbers, as many numbers as possible. Try to make the numbers, as many numbers from the given digits as possible. But it has to be 6 in number. It has to be 6 in numbers. So your digits are 5, 1, 3, 6, 8 and 7. Your digits are 7, 6, 8, 3, 1 and 5. Now use them to make any number of your choice, but you have to use only 7, 6, 1, 8, 3 and 5. So write any 6-digit number in your notebook, any 6-digit number, but you have to use only what? These numbers. You have to use only these numbers. So let us try to form it. Your numbers are these are your numbers. So let us try to form the numbers. The numbers can be these are the numbers formed by the given digits. I have given you 6 digits. Now you have to form numbers. You can make any number of your choice and you can make as many numbers as you want. So let us try to arrange them in their respective houses. Okay? Let us try to form it. Again, we will be starting from the right hand side, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, right? 5 will be written under ones place, 3 will be written under tens place, 8 will be written under hundreds place, 1 will be written at 1000 place, 6 at 10,000 place. But what about the 7? Do we know the house? No, we don't know the house. तो कहाँ arrange करें? 7 का तो house ही नहीं है. So let us try to give him the house. क्योंकि बिना घर के कैसे रहेगा नंबर, कैसे रहेगा कोई digit, right? So let us try to write the house or the place for the last digit. So it will be lakh. The new place that we will be giving to 7 will be lakh. The new place value will be lakh. The new place value will be lakh. That is the 6th house. That is the 6th place. Right? This is the 6th place. So 5 ones, 3 tens, 8 hundreds, 1000, 6 10,000 and 7 lakhs. Right? समझ आया? Now try to arrange the next number according to their houses. 7 will be written under ones place, 6 tens place, 8 100 place, 5 1000 place, 3 10,000 place and 1 lakh place. Right? Last number try करो. Ones place, 3 tens place, 5 hundreds place, 8 1000, 6 10,000, 7 lakh. Right? Right? So how many zeros are there in lakh? In lakh we have 5 zeros. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Right? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and in lakh it will be 1. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are there in lakh. Right? Now let us try to write its number name. Let us try to write its number name. Let us try to write its number name. So just observe the number and think how many lakhs are there. How many lakhs are there? 7. So SEVEN 7, and the house is lakh. Okay? Then combine how many thousands are there? We have 61,000. Right? How many hundreds are there? We have 800. Right? How many tens and ones? The last two digits combined together will make 35. So the number name will be 7,61,831. I'm repeating it again. It's 7,61,831. Now try to make the number name for the next number. Write the names of the houses first. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Right? So how many lakhs are there? It's 1 lakh. How many thousands are there? How many hundreds are there? And then combining the last two digits will make 67. So the number name will be 1,35,867. Right? It will be 1,35,867. Now try it again with the last number. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. It will be how many lakhs? 7 lakh. How many thousands? 60. 8,000. 500. Combining the last two digits, 31. It's 7 lakh. Then again combining this to 68,531. Right? It will be 7,68,500. Combining these two will be 31. Right? Similarly, this is 1 lakh. Combining these two, 35. Then 800. Combining the last two digits, 67. Right? समझ आया इतना? Now, the expanded form will be in the same manner as we have done earlier. I will be doing the first part with you, that is 761,835. So its expanded form will be 7. Count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count the number of digits and you will be placing the same number of zeros. The second digit is 6. Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Next digit 1. Count the zeros. 1, 2, 3. Next 8. Then 30 and then 5. Right? Let us try to solve the B part as well as the C part. till the time I am doing it, you should be doing these three parts in your respective notebooks. Try to write an expanded form. It's 1. Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next digit 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next digit 5. 1, 2, 3. Next 8. 100. Next 60. And then 7. Right? Next 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 8. 1, 2, 3. Next 5. 1, 2, 30 and 1. So it is the expanded form. Right? It will be the expanded form. Right? Try to read it and clear your doubts. Write your doubts on a pen and a paper and send it to me. Right? So now let us try to make its place value chart. But we have already made the place value chart. Now where is it? The place value chart is here. This is nothing but the place value chart. This is nothing but the place value chart. When we write the name of the houses or the places above the digits, it will be the place value chart. It will be the place value chart. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, these are the places, and we write the digits below it. So combining these two becomes the place value chart. Here, this is the place value chart. This is the place value chart, beta. Right? Now let us try to make another place value chart. Write any number of your choice. Any number. Suppose this is the number. So we have written the houses first. Lakh is the new place value. I'm writing it again. How many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there. It is the 6th place. Right? So 5 under 1's place, 7 10's place, 1's 100 place, 8,000, 0 10,000 and 2 lakh. Expanded form will be in the same manner. 2 1 2 3 4 5, 0 1 2 3 4, 8 1 2 3, 1 2 0 70 plus 5. Number name, how many lakh? 2 lakh. How many thousand? 8,000. How many hundred? 100, 70 and 5. So this was place value chart. This is expanded form, and this is the number name. Right? 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 Yes. So now I will be dealing with the place value and face value. Right? So we will be dealing with place value and face value that we have already done for a 5-digit number. The same process will be going for the 6-digit number. Right? Supposingly, if I write a number This is a 6-digit number. 6 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits become a 6-digit number. 5 digits become a 5-digit number. 4 digits become a 4-digit number. Right? यही होता है. So let us try to underline any of the number. The number that we have underlined is 4. I'm sorry, 4. Right? So if I ask you the place, that is the house for 4. अब 4 का हाउस क्या होगा? इसके ऊपर पहले हाउसेस लिख के देख लेते हैं. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 4 किसके अंडर में आया? hundreds. So the place becomes 100. The place becomes 100. What will be its place value? Write the underlined digit first. कौन से डिजिट को हमने अंडरलाइन किया है? 4 को. तो पहले वही वाला डिजिट लिखा 4. नाउ राइट. अब 4 का हाउस क्या था? 4 का हाउस है 100. सो हाउ मेनी ज़ीरोज़? 2. 1, 2. दैट इज़ 400. दिस बिकम इट्स प्लेस वैल्यू. 4 अंडरलाइन डिजिट पहले लिखा, उसके बाद जितने डिजिट्स हैं उतने ज़ीरोज़ प्लेस कर दो. 1, 2, 1, 2. एंड व्हाट विल बी इट्स फेस वैल्यू? फेस वैल्यू मतलब उसका फेस. 4 का फेस कैसा दिखता है? ऐसा दिखता है. सो इट्स बिकम इट्स फेस वैल्यू. इट बिकम्स इट्स फेस वैल्यू. लेट अस ट्राई अनदर एग्जाम्पल. This is the number. Since I have underlined this, again write down the houses first. Right? I have underlined 7. I have underlined 7. So what will be its place? Place देखो 7 के ऊपर कौन सा हाउस आ रहा है? वो उसकी प्लेस हो गई. दैट इज़ 10,000. राइट. अब इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू देखो बेटा. अंडरलाइन वाला जो डिजिट है उसको एज इट इज़ लिखा. अब उसके आगे जितने डिजिट्स हैं उतने आप ज़ीरोज़ प्लेस कर दो. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये करना. आफ्टर दैट फेस वैल्यू 7 कैसा दिखता है? 7 ऐसा दिखता है. अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड. आई होप द लेक्चर हैज़ बीन fruitful for you all. So let us try to attempt the worksheet one by you all. Right? Let us try to attempt one question, any one part of the worksheet that I have given to you in your rough notebook. So the first question of the worksheet was the number name. So the first part was, what is the first part? First part is this. Let us try to write its number name. Write down the name of the houses. Just start writing the name of the places as well as the digits accordingly. So the number name will be 3 lakh. How many thousand? 50,000. 751. This is the number name. This is the number name, right? Similarly, we can attempt any other part of the given worksheet. The questions are same as I have explained it to you. The questions are number name for expanded form, for place value chart. So give it a try. If there will be any problem, we will be solving it in our next class, right? So your homework is you will be attempting, first of all you will be revising You will be revising 6-digit number, right? You will be revising 6-digit number. You will be attempting page 14, question number 1, question number 3, question number 6 in the book. Plus you will be attempting worksheet 4. Right? The questions can vary, beta. This is just an example of the worksheet. But you will be doing the entire worksheet in the same format. I hope I am very much clear to you all. So enjoy, be safe and study. Okay, beta.